Every timepiece delivered by Gerald Charles is an exercise in capturing not only the brand's distinctive design and renowned craftsmanship, but also the visionary spirit of its founder, the esteemed Gerald Genta. The Maestro 8.0 GC Sport Squelette epitomizes this ethos, elevating it to unprecedented levels by seamlessly combining the finest elements from their collections, resulting in a stunning timepiece characterized by its bold architecture and sporty elegance. If you have any questions about this timepiece or about Gerald Charles or Les Ambassadeurs, ask us in the comment section and our watch experts will get back to you right away. But what's better than to see this or any other Gerald Charles in action and deep dive into the world of timepieces at Les Ambassadeurs? You are always welcome to discover this timepiece with our watch experts at one of our boutiques in Geneva, at the famous Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at Bahnhofstrasse, at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kappelplatz. In the meantime, we invite you to our web shop where you can explore a wide selection of the latest Gerald Charles timepieces, including the Maestro 8.0 GC Sport Squelette. In 2022, when Gerald Charles, under the guidance of creative director Octavio Garcia, released the Maestro 8.0 Squelette, it received rave reviews. The incorporation of a micro-rotor skeletonized movement into the iconic Maestro case was intended to showcase exceptional aesthetic design and horological engineering. Now, in 2023, Garcia is poised to capture lightning in a bottle for the third time with the release of the Maestro 8.0 GC Sport Squelette. This contemporary, sporty and elegant timepiece combines the best features of the Maestro 8.0 Squelette and GC Sport into a single timepiece, serving as a testament to Gerald Charles' uncompromising approach to technical mastery and artistry. It all begins with the iconic 40mm Maestro case designed by Gerald Genta, featuring square and octagonal elements and the distinctive smile at 6 o'clock. This 40mm case is crafted from grade 5 titanium to reduce weight and manages to accommodate all the components within a thickness of just 8.35mm, making it one of the slimmest in the Maestro collection. The timepiece is topped with a sapphire crystal and is intended for sports activities, as evidenced by the left position screw-down crown, designed to prevent rubbing during play. It is further enhanced with a sporty aesthetic, as Gerald Charles introduced a new sandblasting finish for the case, resulting in a unique shade of gray, darker than the sandblasted bridges of the dial. Looking at all these features and the design of the case, it is not a surprise that this timepiece is comfortable thanks to a sleek and overall compact structure. The wrist comparison shows the size of 40mm fits so well on various wrists and adapts to any size. Also mesmerizing is the thickness of 8.35mm, which is quite an achievement for a sport timepiece waterproof up to 100 meters. But as we always say, eventually your opinion matters and how it feels on your wrist. You are always welcome to discover this timepiece at one of our boutiques with our timepiece experts together and give it a try. Much like its predecessor, the original Maestro 8.0 Squelette, this GC Sport version features an open work dial that proudly features the off-center Gerald Charles logo, emblematic of the collection. The bridges sport a sandblasted finish with rhodium plating and polished anglage. And to ensure readability, the artisans at Gerald Charles thoughtfully positioned screws with a bespoke bluey color as hour markers. This color is achieved through the bluissage treatment of the screws, resulting in the hue when they are heated by hand. In keeping with the values of artistic creativity and technical mastery, the GCA 5482 caliber has been rotated by 180 degrees to allow the crown to be placed on the left of the Maestro case. As a result, apart from the left position crown, the balance wheel is now located at 1 o'clock, the micro-rotor and mainspring barrel in the lower half, and the escapement above the central hands. Gerald Charles allows these elements to shine through the skeletonized dial, with the micro-rotor made of 22-karat rose gold, 4N, decorated with the Gerald Charles honeycomb motif. After the redesign, the 3 Hz movement keeps its ultra-thin design, measuring only 2.6mm in thickness, and enables a power reserve up to 50 hours. To complement its sports pedigree, the Maestro 8.0 GC Sport Squelette features a royal blue vulcanized rubber strap and a grade 5 titanium pin buckle system. Like all Gerald Charles timepieces, the strap is adorned with a Clou de Paris finish on the top side and a Gerald Charles logo tapisserie on the rear. Priced at 61,100 Swiss francs, this masterpiece not only embodies the elements you should seek in a Gerald Charles timepiece, but also elevates them. The ingenious fusion of the iconic Maestro case, the open work dial, and the sporting aesthetics and capabilities have created a model that encapsulates the very essence of sporty elegance. We are delighted to have the Maestro 8.0 GC Sport Squelette at either one of our boutiques or via our online store, where you can even take advantage of our super fast flash delivery service. We will deliver any timepiece on stock within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. What did impress you the most about this timepiece? What do you think of the screw-down crown on the left? Your opinion matters to us. Please share your questions, experiences and thoughts in the comment section. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to never miss the latest news, releases and hands-on reviews ever again. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time.